good afternoon, almost evening. It's the end of the working day, I think, for most of us on Friday. And I have one last job to do before I leave the office today. And I needed a pair of scissors for this job. And I wondered whether you might like to join me with my opening a parcel which we have received recently. Now, I think I know what's in the parcel, but I'm not very sure. It's got fragile written all over it. And we did have a sneaky email. You may have seen us put a post out earlier on this week saying that we had some breaking news. So I hope this is all connected. Otherwise, it's going to be slightly embarrassing right in a minute. So I'm going to open up this. Now, as you can see, it's completely sealed still. I've not opened it, so you're going to see what's inside here at the same time as I'm seeing. So let's open up the parcel. Feels like Christmas. I hope it's a nice present that's inside for us. Yeah, right, let's have a little look, shall we? What's in here? Well, it's a white box to start with, which doesn't really give away what it is. What happens if I open something that's really embarrassing, right? Let's hope not. Right, oh, okay. Well, I can see now that it's a black box inside here. And on the front it says something special. So unless someone's winding me up, something special is in here. So let's go on and open this up. Are you ready? Let me turn it round so that you can see. Right, well, first things first, there's no obvious clue here other than care instructions. Care instructions, please only clean with a dry soft cloth. No cleaning products. Right then, so let's take off the... Oh, it is what I thought it was going to be. So let me lift... Oh my goodness, it's really heavy. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can see this, I might have to hold the cardboard behind it so that you can see. So you can see it says here, Business Elite Awards 2020, which are run by SME News. And it says Laura Evans and Unleash Your Potential are award winners for the leading NLP training provider 2020 in Wales. That's amazing. I love it. I love it. Look, it's so heavy. Oh my god. Yeah, it's a little bit of a contrast to this, which I've still not made. If you watched the live I did the other week, I'm looking for a child that likes Lego. But yeah, so wow, amazing. So Business Elite Awards 2020, run by SME News, and it says that I am the award winner for leading NLP training provider 2020. That's so amazing. That is so amazing. But yeah, oh my god, and it's glass and it's heavy and oh my goodness. Well, that's super exciting. So that means we pop this here. You might be able to see it now. I think the camera angle. But that means that Unleash Your Potential is now officially a multi-award winning company. So let me tell you a little bit, because I had an email from them, which is why we knew something was on the way. We're delighted to let you know that Unleash Your Potential Limited has been recognised by the SME News Business Elite Awards of 2020 as the leading NLP training provider in Wales 2020. Following on from the success of our 2019 awards, we're looking to celebrate those enterprises who consistently provide the best services and products for their clients, allowing them to stand out within their representative field. The Business Elite Awards are handpicked by the SME News magazine and are based purely on a comprehensive analysis and research undertaken by the wider group. It provides us the chance to promote talent on a truly UK-wide platform. This proven approach ensures that we award on merit, not popularity, which is a criticism of many awards, and recognise the very best in business. we award those that are succeeding in their endeavours, innovating, growing and improving. So yeah, wow. So we're officially multi-award winning. So we've now got, God, it's so heavy. We've now got the Pivot Entrepreneur of the Year for me, which I won last week or the week before with the Great British Entrepreneur Awards. And now we are Laura Evans and Unleash Your Potential are award-winning leading NLP training providers in 2020. So we are officially multi-award winning. It's exciting. Now, there are more potentially on the way. I'm so excited. So we also entered awards with the UK-wide National Business Women's Awards. We are finalists, as you all have seen, for those. Those awards have been moved to the 12th of March next year, so slight delay with those. And we've also been finalists in the UK-wide SME Awards programme as well. That was due to be in December, and that's been moved to the 5th of March. So 2 award ceremonies moved. Now, when I come to the Women in Business Awards, I'm really, really hoping we get to go to the award ceremony, because there's something quite special about walking up onto a stage and getting an award, and I've never, ever got the opportunity to do that. So I can't wait to do that. So watch out for more news about that when we get to March. But for now, I'm super excited that I can officially call Unleash Your Potential a multi-award winning company. Look at this. There we go. Unleash Your Potential NLP Training Provider of the Year. I love it. I love it. A quick shout out also to the ANLP. So we're not members of the ANLP, but they won the Best UK Community Interest Award with the same organisation. So a big whoop whoop out to them as well. So yeah, there we have it, folks. We're now multi-award winning. What a way to end the week, right? So yeah, I'm going to love you and leave you, and yeah, time to have a celebratory walk with Rosie, I think, and a bottle of Prosecco later, I think, to celebrate. So yeah, thank you very much. The SME News Business Elite Awards 2020. See you all soon. Bye.